Hello, everyone. Today's question is 1 minus 7 in brackets, 1 minus 7, 1 minus 7 equals negative 6 in brackets. Now we'll multiply negative 6 in brackets, and negative 6, negative 6, negative 6 plus 6 times 6 actually equals 36 plus 36. This is the final answer, but unfortunately, this is the wrong answer. According to BODMA, According to the rule, first we'll solve the brackets, then division and multiplication have the same priority, and addition and subtraction also have the same priority. Since division and multiplication have the same priority, we'll check from left to right. When checking left to right, we'll solve whichever comes first. Let's rewrite the question. 1 minus 7 in brackets, 1 minus 7. So first we'll solve the bracket. 1 minus 7 equals minus 6. So 1 minus 7 in brackets becomes minus 6. When we remove the bracket, we'll multiply. So 1 minus 7 into minus 6. When we multiply minus by minus, it becomes plus. So 1 plus 7 into 6 equals 42. Now 1 plus 42 equals 43. This is the right answer.